Hi, I just got here a bad pot of potatoes, so I'm not expecting much. Lots of roots in the system, but the leaves weren't growing very well, and I just thought I'd do a potato review and see where I'm at. Okay, I wasn't expecting anything at all, but the leaves did have a little bit of blight on them, and I can see why people enjoy doing this. And I was a bit concerned as to, because I've got other potato pots. Oh wow, that's not a seed potato either. So I thought I'd better. I had 3 potatoes in this pot, and yeah. Okay, maybe I should have left it in there a bit longer, but I just wanted to see where I was at with regards to I just felt something else then. With regards to growing potatoes, because I do have other pots. I don't know if you can see that at the back there. And I'm just talking quietly because I've got neighbours. Okay, lots of little leaves. Sorry, I'm doing this one-handed because I've got the camera in my other hand, and I'm not doing a very good professional job. This is the first time I've done a potato view like this, like how the professionals do it in the rest of the row. But I'm at a loss as to why the leaves, that one, like that there, has got lots of brown spots on it, as you can see. So when it gets like that, my question to you guys is, do you still keep them in the pots, or do you harvest and save it from the other pots getting the same discoloured leaves? Ooh, wriggly. But so far, I've not seen any worms. The soil is quite moist, and this is actually hard work trying to get through it all. And I've actually got a bad ankle at the moment, and I shouldn't be standing. I should be resting my foot. Okay, and I think that was like it. Mind you, this is a seed potato. It looks like it's still growing. But it was a harvest from last year's. So these are potatoes that have already been grown before from another seed potato bought from the shop. So it might be past its use-by date, these potatoes, and I probably should get a fresh batch of seed potatoes. So that could also be the issue. But I'm a great believer in the fact that you can grow store-bought potatoes, and the reason why I also did that particular harvest, I'll come over here and I'll show you. I've got potato pots everywhere here. This one's actually starting to die off, and the leaves aren't too bad at the moment, but this one's been going, but again, that one's been like that for 3 weeks now. It's just not growing, and I had another one over here that's also not growing. That's a ripe potato. These ones here were a bad batch of potatoes I bought from the shops that had chittered, and I thought, well, they're not edible, so I decided to plant them, and they are just popping through now. And yes, and this one has got 5 seed potatoes in it. Yeah, see, just starting to shoot. And I know they need a drink of water, which I'll give them tonight. It's my strawberries. Ooh. It's just got ants on them. One's popping through. Another one there coming through. And wouldn't you know it, it's April. We're still having summer in Australia. I'll just show you my rest of the unfinished garden. I've still got the camera rolling. I'm trying to aim for the cottage look at the moment. I'm not really suitably dressed for the camera right now. This is just a small garden bed. I've got some lettuce, parsley, lemon thyme, garlic has popped through. Not sure what that is. Ooh, got some peas. And I've got potatoes here as well. So I'm curious to know what's underneath that one at the moment. So, a bit of spinach over there which needs tidying up. This is still a work in progress, this garden. I've been here for 12 years and I've only just managed to start getting stuck into it, so it's called being busy. So, yeah. Back over here. So that was my little excitement for the day. I don't know what I'm going to do with the soil. It's actually quite nice soil. It's all got roots in it. But I wasn't expecting anything at all, so to have that much, and that's not a seed potato either, so yeah. Not bad for starters, but it could be better. Have to keep working at it, I guess. Excuse me, take my glove off so I can stop the camera. Okay, thanks all. Bye.